Hello internet friends. In this video we are continuing to work on the fuselage, specifically the forward fuselage skins. There's a couple of stiffeners and doublers that go on here, and in a couple of videos we'll realize I'm bad at reading directions. So on the fuselage you definitely want to make sure that you read directions and do them all in order. And of course here I'm not. So in a couple of videos we're going to find out that it says to break these skins, which means introduce a bend into the forward part of the skin, and then dimple. And nope, I dimpled and then realized I needed to break it. So anyway, no harm done. Everything still worked out, but it could have been in trouble, right? So make sure you read the directions and follow them in order. Now, I was thinking I was going to get a lot of work done this weekend. Well, actually, I did get some work done, but as you can see, costume change happened, and I had to take our new dog back to Grandma's house because apparently we're allergic. Everyone got, well, everyone, me and my wife got a rash, so sorry, Gidget, but you're gonna have to stay at Grandma's house. She seemed happier over there anyway. As soon as she got back in her backyard, she went and drank water out of the pool like she knew what she was doing, and then gave her some treats, and she seemed pretty happy. And when I got home, our dog seemed happy that she was the only dog again. So anyway, oh, that's a lot of responsibility. Speaking of responsibility, building a plane takes a lot of work. Is that really responsibility? I don't know. I think it's just cleaning up messes that you made, so maybe that's responsibility. Anyway, this is the metal brake that I bought from Harbor Freight. It's 30 inches across, so the forward fuselage skins are 19 inches across, which unfortunately wouldn't fit on the less expensive 18-inch brake, although maybe I could have made it work. But anyway, I opted for the 30-inch. And then this is where I realized, oops, I probably should have done this before I dimpled this. And then went back to the plans and read it, and sure enough, that's exactly what it says to do. So if you're building a 14 and you're watching this because you want to see someone else make mistakes before you make them, then congratulations. Okay, and from reading the plans, what I'm gathering is that you don't really want a crease. You just want a bend, and I think that's because, you know, as the fuselage goes from the front to the back, it kind of slopes upward. So at least that's what I gathered. I could be wrong, but I'm just doing what the plans told me to do, at least what I understand that the plans told me to do. Okay, and then after we do that, then all we gotta do is rivet the stiffeners and doubler on. So I decided I was going to back rivet it on, and I only messed up 3 or 4 of the rivets. So that's always fun to drill out rivets. Pretty sure I accidentally oversized one, and I used my first oops rivet, which is impressive because I don't know how I have not used a oops rivet until now. But basically what an oops rivet is it's upsized rivet with the same original size head. So these rivets here are, oh yeah, and you're seeing me right now accidentally oversize this. So anyway, oops rivet is, let's say these are AN3 rivets. You drill out the number 40 hole to a number 30, which even though the number goes down, that's actually a bigger size hole. And then you use the oops rivet, which looks the same from the outside, but inside the hole it fits a, you know, upsized hole. The end result being when someone crawls under your plane and looks at all the rivets and compares the heads, they will never know and never be able to tell which one you messed up. Now, there's other things that they'll see that you messed up, but the rivets, the oops rivet, won't be one of them. Let's see. I did also go move some stuff into the hangar. So I moved spare air compressor, engine hoist, cooler. All that went to the hangar. So, yeah, now there's a little bit more space in here. And then once I get the fuselage put together, I'm thinking it will take up the entire space of this table, which we'll see what happens when the wings show up. Wings probably will go, well, it depends when they show up. If I'm not done with the fuselage, wings are gonna go in the hangar. If I'm done with this, then this will go in the hangar and I'll start building some wings. Anyway, thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll be working on this some more. See you then.